Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, as we get more and more updates on the problems of the January 2026 Patch Tuesday updates, both for Windows 10 and 11, there are, of course, out-of-band updates. Now, there was one out-of-band update that I did talk about a week ago. Well, Microsoft has released another out-of-band update for bug fixes that are in the January Patch Tuesday. So anything from the inability to shut down your PC to the cloud connections of apps, the core apps that crash, that have problems. Now we learn of a new one. Some users apparently are getting a error message that they can't boot to Windows anymore with that Patch Tuesday. So a variety of issues, although once again, most people don't have the problems. There's enough background noise, there's enough people complaining about these issues that it shows that there is definitely something wrong in many aspects with the Patch Tuesday updates. So I will share once again new links to the Microsoft Update Catalog for fixes for Windows 10 and for Windows 11 if you have issues. So the links to these updates is in the description below. So the first one will be the Windows 10 version 22H2. That has a update for the x64 and the x86, which is the 32-bit version of Windows 10. So both of them have their updates. This fixes a variety of bugs that have happened at Patch Tuesday of January. And then there's the second one that I will share, which is for Windows 11, 24H2 and 25H2 have a fix for some of the bugs, once again, created by Patch Tuesday updates. Once again, I will give the same warning as last week. If you have absolutely no problems, ignore it. Doesn't matter. These will be integrated anyways with the next updates we'll have for either the bug fixes or for Patch Tuesday of February. And if you do have issues, if you have all of the issues that are mentioned by Microsoft and by different people on Windows 10 and 11, you have the ability to download these updates, which are pretty big to download. So once again, Patch Tuesday updates fix number 2, and that was released on a Saturday, which is kind of very weird. We don't see Microsoft release Saturday updates usually. So check it out, as this is very important for some people that have issues. And like I said, no problems, just ignore it. If you like our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.